Hey there, it's Josh from onlyvpns.net. Nordvpn has been one of the best VPN options through 2021, but times change. Is Nordvpn 2022 still a legitimate VPN option? In this video, I will go deeper into the major functions of Nordvpn and determine is Nordvpn worth it compared to the other best VPNs in 2022? Nordvpn has the essential security package. Many other VPNs offer the same AES 256 or SHA-20 encryption. These are unbreakable ciphers, so you don't need to ask is Nordvpn safe anymore? After all, Nordvpn has more than essentials. For example, its kill switch is an invaluable function. Every best VPN in 2022 should have this feature since it prevents data leaks during VPN connection breaks, and ISPs don't always provide a stable service. I know only a couple of other providers that offer an ad block and anti-malware function like NordVPN does. Surfshark Clean Web and Pia's Mace can be compared to NordVPN CyberSec in terms of how effectively they detect dangerous websites and block adverts. NordVPN is also the second VPN to embrace the RAM-only servers, with ExpressVPN coming first and Surfshark following shortly after. I find RAM-only servers extremely valuable for privacy as they are unable to retain user data. Truly, NordVPN's privacy is impressive, especially with an independently audited no-logs policy and privacy-friendly jurisdiction, but it's not something unheard of. But where NordVPN goes beyond is the Android security. It's one of the few VPNs to receive a prestigious IOXT certification for outstanding security. Only ExpressVPN has managed to repeat that for their other Android apps. In terms of extra features, NordVPN has a couple of those that have barely any competition. For example, built-in dark web monitor, always checking on dark web marketplaces in case your data appears there. And while double VPN is utilized in many VPNs, only NordVPN offers Tor integration in a form of onion over VPN specialized servers. I found it to be extremely effective for privacy-demanding tasks, such as crypto trading. If you think you want to try NordVPN, make sure to check the link in the description for the best deal we could find for Nord. But security is not the only point of this VPN. Every NordVPN review mentions that, and for a good reason. NordVPN's performance is pretty outstanding, mostly thanks to the proprietary NordLynx protocol, and well over 5,200 servers do have a positive effect on the speed. My test: I have performed a NordVPN speed test across 3 different locations. I have found out that NordVPN barely affects users' connection speed, retaining up to 95% of the original speed. No other VPN can do that consistently. Considering that NordVPN is in the process of switching old 1 gigabits per second servers to 10 gigabits per second servers, I can only expect the connection speed to become even faster. But speed is only a part of the reason I consider NordVPN to be the best streaming VPN. After all, the NordVPN Netflix experience has been great for me. I have access to all the Netflix libraries there are, not just bypassing geo-blocks, but also getting a lag-free 4K stream every time, despite the distance of the library location of my choice. But Netflix is not enough, honestly. That's why I have access other platforms like BBC iPlayer and Disney Plus as well. Many other VPNs could boast similar performance. Not one of them felt that smooth to me though. But is NordVPN good for torrenting? I'd argue that yes, there are some features that support torrenting. For example, NordVPN automatically connects to a specialized P2P server when you try to download torrents, and it has a SOCKS5 proxy to use with torrenting for higher speeds. The only feature missing here is port forwarding. It would be nice to see it in NordVPN 2022, so I'm keeping my fingers crossed. Well, NordVPN 2022 might bring more surprises than you'd expect. I've already mentioned that it switches to the faster servers, but there's a security change too. NordVPN applied to an exhaustive security audit of cybersecurity experts via Sprite to ascertain their high level of security. There's also a new Mac M1 app coming up, so very soon you will be able to run NordVPN natively on M1-powered Mac devices. NordVPN clearly has a lot of improvements coming, and it already offers a huge list of features and great performance. NordVPN pricing is reasonable, and I dare say cheap if you're going for a long-term subscription, especially if you consider our special discount. But for trying out, you can use a NordVPN free trial available from Android devices or a 30-day money-back guarantee. All things considered, is NordVPN worth it? With high speeds, top-grade security and affordable pricing, I think it's worth being called one of the best VPNs of the upcoming year as well. I can see it getting only better in 2022. But what do you think? Have you used NordVPN before? Give me your opinion on the comments below, and remember, discounts are still in the description. So if you want to grab a Nordvpn account 2022, this might be a good chance. Make sure to press the subscribe button if you'd like to see more cybersecurity related content. And thanks for watching, hope to see you again.